Did you know that dust mites would sneak out to feed on our dander when we are asleep? Aside from dust mites, their feces is also one of the allergens. When people with dust mite allergies come into contact with these allergens, the following allergic symptoms may occur. In fact, dust mites and their feces can be removed with water, but bedding such as mattress covers, pillowcases, and quilts, they are more difficult to clean. So how do we actually deal with dust mites? Counterstrike, dust mite tutorial. The method is to use anti-dust mite covers crafted with tightly woven microfibers to cover mattresses, pillows, and quilts. The principle is to physically block the dust mites, preventing them from escaping out to feed on our dander and leaving their excrement. Before purchasing the dust mite covers, you can feel it and touch it with your hand, as it is made of highly woven material and hence should have a smooth texture. Lastly, here's some advice on the bedroom layout for people who are allergic to dust mites.